Hi, this is just a quick introduction video to show you the fact that on 17th and 19th of March I will be travelling on an aeroplane. I'll be coming to see you over in Nicosia, Cyprus. And if you don't know who I am, my name is basically Rob Snow, but you'll probably see me online as Rob Art, if you know Rob Art Illustration. And I'm coming to do a series of events for you at the Graphic Story Cyprus, which is basically a workshop and lecture. During the workshop I'm looking at doing a series of exercises and talks to introduce you to the idea of how to improve your digital art skills. This will be basically a series of practical and technical things that I've discovered over the years as my own creative career has blossomed, to show you how you can improve your skills. They can involve things to do with plugins, to do with online resources, but also basically how to make your work better. During the lecture, I'll be basically talking about some aspects of my 30 years of working in the industry. It's a kind of tongue-in-cheek, humorous look at basically what I call the 7 pearls of wisdom from Rob Snow. And it'll be a 30-minute lecture about my life and how I can help you understand how to become a better artist. See you there.